Hey guys, ThomasDiy here. Wanted to share this package with you. I just got in the mail today. So when you guys get into crypto mining, you need a lot of things, okay? You're going to need thermal paste. You're going to need thermal pads. You are going to need replacement fans. You are going to be buying replacement fans like this by the boxes. Look at all these replacement fans right here. I'm telling you guys, these things, you buy these things by the bulk. These old Ethernet cables, Cat 5s, throw that crap in the trash. Get yourself some good quality Cat 6 because you guys, when you get into mining crypto, you are going to be burning out modems. You're going to be frying them things. You're going to need good screwdriver sets, good thermal pads, good components, and a lot of replacement fans. Everybody says, follow the 80% rule. Well, I'll tell you the 80% rule. This is what summertime mining does. It burns up your fans. It tears them up. The fans fall apart. They're complete crap and garbage. Buy name brand cards. Buy EVGA. But guess what? That's not a luxury we all have. Now, is it? Sometimes you got to settle for cheaper cards because that's all you can get because of the graphics card shortage. Other problems that you run into is things like flash drive. You want to know why your miner keeps going down? Take these flash drives like this, throw them in the trash after about 12 months. Put you some brand new ones in your rigs because them things give you more problems than anything because they just wear out. Now you guys can cheap out and go with SSDs, but that works out great too. But new Ethernet cables, new SSDs, new cooling fans, new thermal pads, new thermal compound. Do it annually. Keep your rigs up and running. Keep the things running smooth. Stop fighting this, guys. Stop fighting it. You rookie miners, you're going to have to learn sometime. Ultrasonic cleaners, submerge your cards, clean them, cleaning solutions. There is a lot that goes into mining. Everybody wants to say it's easy. It is not easy. There's a lot of work involved. It's not so much as easy as building a rig. It's about keeping those rigs up and running 1 or 2 years after you build those rigs.